Hello everyone, in this video we are to learn how to solve for x. So now let's get started. Now first of all, I'll form a nice equation from here by moving this one to the left hand side. So I'll have my x to the power 3 plus my x to the power 2 minus 12 equals 0. So now what I have to do next is to write the sum of x to the power 2. So writing the sum of x to the power 2, I'll have my x to the power 3 minus my 2x to the power 2, to the power 2 plus my 3x to the power 2 minus my 12 equals 0. So now what I have to do, from here I can factor x to the power 2 out. So factoring it out, I'll have my x to the power 2 out. I'll have my x minus 2, bracket closes. So from here to I can factor 3 out. So I'll have my plus my 3 out, x to the power 2 minus 4, bracket closes equals 0. So from here, now we can see that we have difference of 2 square here. So I'll have my x to the power 2, x minus 2 plus my 3 x minus 2 multiplying my x plus 2 here equals 0. This one is 2. So now we have common term here, x minus 2, x minus 2. So we can factor it out. So doing so, I'll have my x minus 2 out here. So this one comes, this x to the power 2 come, then this 3 also come, plus my 3, and then multiplying my x plus 2 here equals 0. So now what we have to do, we can set or multiplying this 3 through the equation. So I'll have my x minus 2 multiply my x to the power 2 plus 3 multiplying my x. I'll have my 3x plus 6, bracket close, equals 0. So now what we have to do to set both terms to 0. So I'll have my x minus 2 equals 0 and my x to the power 2 plus my 3x plus 6 equals 0. So now from here, try to solve this one, but you can see that our x does not belong to real numbers. So this one does not give us solution for this equation. So now let's consider this one. So considering that one, I'll have my x minus 2 equals 0. So therefore my x equals 2. So my final value for x is x equals 2. Thank you for watching the video, but please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.